Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whenever and wherever you are seeing or hearing this message, I hope you are well. I'm Mayor Bridget Donnell Newton, and on behalf of Council Members Ashton, Feinberg, Miles, and Pershela, I'd like to give you a brief update on the latest in our city. As I'm sure you've heard, 2 vaccines have now been approved by the FDA for distribution across the country. It's none too soon, as nationwide, deaths from COVID-19 have surpassed the 300,000 mark, an unimaginable tragedy. Here in Maryland, we've lost over 5,000 people, and in Montgomery County, we've lost over 1,000. Governor Hogan has drafted a statewide COVID-19 vaccination plan that focuses on 3 major phases of vaccine availability and distribution. We're now in phase 1, which involves those at the highest risk of exposure to or developing complications from COVID-19, such as our frontline medical workers and our elderly. They will be receiving the vaccine first. Among those is our very own council member, Dr. David Miles, who's been serving as a medical frontline worker during the COVID-19 pandemic and is scheduled to receive his first dose of the vaccine this week. Governor Hogan also announced new gathering limits and an emergency travel order. For more information on Maryland's COVID-19 vaccination plan and the details on the new gathering and travel restrictions this holiday season, go to covidlink.maryland.gov. Montgomery County Executive Mark Elrich announced an executive order that suspends indoor dining, reduces indoor sports gatherings to no more than 10 people, and reduces the maximum capacity of retail establishments. Go to montgomerycountymd.gov/COVID-19 for all the details. And though there is hope on the horizon for controlling the virus, there are many families who are struggling to put food on the table, pay rent and mortgages, and take care of everyday life essentials during this crisis. The Interfaith Works Food Hub in Twin Brook is now providing food to Rockville residents who need help. This hub, located at 751 Twin Brook Parkway, is in the same building as the Interfaith Works Clothing Center. It is the 8th service hub in the county and is part of the consolidated service hubs that the Department of Health and Human Services is creating with several nonprofit organizations. To keep this hub up and providing resources, you can help by volunteering your time or making a donation. To find out more information on how to receive help, how to volunteer or donate, please call 301-848-4427 or send an email to the hub coordinator at iworksmc.org. You can also go to Interfaith Works website for other helpful resources at iworksmc.org. And now to City of Rockville business. One of the Mayor and Council's highest priorities is the city's FY22 budget. As you know, our charter requires that we have a balanced budget, and in this uncertain time, we will work hard to maintain our service levels, support our community and staff, and adhere to that rule. On Monday, December 16th, we shared our priorities, thoughts, and new initiatives with the city manager and finance staff. We also want to hear from you. Staff has put together a survey that gives you the opportunity to tell us your thoughts, budget priorities, initiatives, and suggestions. Please go to rockvillemd.gov/budget and complete the survey. The deadline is April 16th. My friends, there is hope on the horizon, but we must stay vigilant and continue to do our part to help slow the spread of this virus. Wear your face covering over your nose and mouth. Wash your hands and use hand sanitizer often. Practice social distancing. And as hard as it will be, please avoid large gatherings this holiday season. I know we are all suffering from COVID-19 fatigue, but with the vaccinations that are being rolled out, I am hopeful that better days are ahead. Take care of yourselves and each other. Stay well, be kind, stay strong. Remember, Rockville, we will get through this if we work together. Here's to a better 2021.